Hey guys, welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, and today we're delving into the latest and greatest in crypto and blockchain. We've got a lot to cover, so let's dive right into it. Our Discord community has recently hit 3,797 members. Joining is the perfect way to connect directly with our team and engage with a vibrant group of tech enthusiasts. If you haven't joined yet, now is your chance to do so. Over on social media, we've been highlighted in a really cool experiment by Turning Labs. They used Eliza OS to upload files to Pinata via Yomi Digital, a fascinating use case that showcases the versatility of our platform. You'll find the link to this in the description box below. This week, we are excited to highlight Autonomy. Autonomy is a leading proof-of-stake validator dedicated to supporting and securing multiple blockchain ecosystems. With over 10,000 customers and robust infrastructure, Autonomy is deeply invested in community ownership and operates a developer DAO that encourages contributions. They emphasize economic security by utilizing non-custodial wallets for staking and have built a broad network connecting universities, startups, and Web3 enthusiasts through their partnership with T-Hub. Over on the product front, we are so excited to introduce IPCM. IPCM is our solution to the challenges of dynamic content on IPFS. While IPFS excels with immutable files, many applications require mutable content. Previous solutions like IPNS offered flexibility but lacked speed and user-friendliness. Our new open-source solution, IPCM, utilizes smart contracts on an EVM-compatible chain to create dynamic IPFS content effectively. Have you ever wondered how to seamlessly integrate your IPFS deployments into CI/CD pipelines? Manual deployments might work for smaller projects, but can become a bottleneck as your project scales. Automating these deployments not only saves time, but also enhances consistency and reduces potential errors. With Pinata, integrating IPFS pinning into existing workflows, particularly through GitHub Actions, is straightforward. We'll show you how to automate your deployments to ensure efficient, reliable updates and content delivery across your decentralized applications. And that wraps up this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. Thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe down below for more content from our team. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye guys.